Hello, my phonics superstars, and welcome to day 12 of my Phonics Boost. Are you ready to explore some sounds, learn some new words, and improve those phonics skills? Let's get our phonics brains on, our superhero listening ears on, and let's get started. Let's remind ourselves of our focus sounds that we're exploring for the next 5 days. We've got k, k, e, b, a. But obviously, I want to be hearing you. So, k, k, e, b, a. Now we've had a practice, just you. Do you think you can do it faster? I know you can. Do you think you can do it even faster? Come on, let's give it a try. Oh, that was very quick. And of course, we're not going to forget these sounds. Want to hear you? I know you can do these ones faster. You ready? Do you think we can do them all together? Let's give it a try. Amazing. And of course, we're not going to forget these. I want to hear you. Oh, well done. Right, the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the k sound. Now the k sound is a short sound. K, k, k. Let's practice. K, k, k. Excellent. Now we've had a practice saying it, let's find some objects that start with the k sound. Right, my phonics superheroes. Inside this magic box, I've got some objects that start with the k sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Oh, not again. My magic box is empty. I think we need some phonics magic to help us put some objects in there. Now, our magic spell is hocus pocus phonics focus. Can you say it with me? Are we ready? Hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's see if it's worked. Phew, we have got some objects in there. So I need you to tell me yes if it starts with the k sound and no if it doesn't. We ready? Keys? Yes. Star? No. Kangaroo? Yes. Elephant? No. And do we know? Do we know what this is? It's a kingfisher. Yes, kingfisher starts with the k sound. Right, now we've sorted them out, I'm going to put them all back into my box. And do you think you can do it a little bit quicker? I think you can. So remember, yes if it starts with the k sound, no if it doesn't. Oh, you ready? Excellent, that was super duper speedy. Well done you. Now, I think we're going to be practicing our listening skills and practice our oral blending. Make sure your superhero listening ears are turned on. Now with our oral blending, I sound out the word and I want to hear you blend it. Are we ready? it. Kit. K-I-P. Kip, which is like a little nap. K-I-N. Kin. Kin means the people that you're related to. Well done on your oral blending, and you might have also learnt some new words there. Now we're going to move on to reading some words. Okay, my reading superstars, let's give ourselves that little phonics boost and practice our reading. Now with our new k words, I'm going to sound them out, then it's going to be your turn. We ready? K, it, kit. Your turn. Kit. K-I-P, kip. Your turn. Kip. Excellent. Now remember we said kip, it's like a nice little nap. My turn. K-I-N, kin. Your turn. Kin. Excellent. And kin are all the people that you're related to. Right, now we've done them, just you now. Kit. Kip. Kin. Excellent. Are you feeling up for a challenge? Do you think you could do a challenge word? Look how long our challenge word is today. Now our challenge word is ketchup. And this word's got a digraph in it, which is where two letters make one sound. The letters C and H here together make the ch sound. My turn first. K-E-T-Ch-U-P. Ketchup. Your turn. Ketchup. I think I'm going to do this one more time because it's quite tricky, isn't it? K-E-T-Ch-U-P. Ketchup. Your turn. Ketchup. Oh, that really was a challenge. Well done. Now we're going to rewind and look at some words that we've looked at before. I'm not going to sound these out, just you. Cat. Cup. Excellent. Now this word, we've done it a couple of times. Let me see if you can just read it. On. Well done. Sound it out. On. Well done. Now we're going to move on to our tricky words, and our new tricky word for today is all. 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 Excellent. I hope we maybe are all going to the park. Now I'm going to put this with our tricky words that we've looked at before. Can we remember them? Me. Was. You. Right, I'm going to remind us, go over them one more time. Me. Was. You. Right, now we've practiced them. I'm going to put our new one. Can we remember it? All. I'm going to put that one in here and it's just you now. Excellent. One more time. Me. Was. You. Oh, excellent. Well done. Well, my phonics superheroes and reading superstars, we're nearly at the end of day 12 of my phonics Boost. Well done, you. Before we finish, we're going to go through our focus sounds and play our little game. My turn first. K, k, e, b, a. Now your turn. Do you think you can do it faster? I know you can. Well done. Now we're going to play our little game. Let's see which one I'm going to take away. And I want you to tell me, are we ready? Which one was missing? F. Well done. Let's see, which one am I going to take away now? Are you ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. It was our first K sound. And last one, which one shall I take away? You ready? Make sure you're paying attention. Which sound was missing? B. Excellent. And that's it. Day 12 completed. Well done. I'm so proud of you and I can't wait to see you for day 13. But before you go, make sure you give yourself a great big pat on the back for all of your hard work. 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.